Hello. Today we have attempted to reproduce a door handle for our BMW. So we're going to try to install it and see how it does, and maybe take some measurements and see if we can improve it in some way. Sticks out way too far then. Alright, so we've got this kind of webbing here because we widened this way up, and that's just not going to work. This needs to be a straight line all the way down. And then the other issue we run into is that this rod actually doesn't go that far in. What we may end up doing, since all this stuff is really right there in the way, is we may actually take this whole block and move the whole block this way. Just give us another, whatever half of that is, spacing outwards. It seems solid enough that it would work. So, yeah. And then I have to figure out how to print a mirror image one for the other side. So there's that. I guess we'll do just a little bit of modeling and change the things we were going to change, and we'll print another one for tomorrow. Doing much else. So there's your update for the day. We will see you tomorrow.